Hello! In this video, I will show you how to import 2D seismic lines in segy format into StratiScape. You should still watch this video even if you're importing 2D seismic from another program such as Petrel. This is because the procedure is very much the same. To begin, I will import lines from the UK North Sea Transition Authority's East Shetland project that I talked about in the introductory video. I will import them into this new empty project that I've just created. When you create a new project, there will be a single folder in the 2D Seismic tab called 2D Seismic Folders. When you import seismic lines, they will be placed into whatever seismic folder is selected. So because I will import two distinct sets of seismic lines, I will create a new folder for the first set, like this. Now that I have the import folder created, I will select it and then I will go to the Lines tab and click the Import Seismic button. Once I have navigated to the correct directory, I will select a few of the lines from the folder and then click OK. At this point, I will select one of the lines so we can see its header information and resize the dialog so we can view what we need. From here, it is a matter of setting the correct properties for the import. Notice that you can view the segy header, which hopefully has the coordinates and CDP byte locations correctly labeled. The properties on this first tab are set automatically, so you should not need to change them. But make sure that you set the version type and attribute correctly before going on. Unfortunately, there is no such thing as a standard segy header, so you may have to figure out the correct locations by studying the trace headers. I know what the values are here, so I've already set them. One thing to note is that this is where you set the coordinate reference system. You can set it by using UTM values or by setting the well-known identifiers. Don't worry if you get it wrong at this point, you can correct it later. Once you have set the import properties, click the Import button and the import will begin. Ignore the mislabeled progress bar that comes up. Once all lines are imported, the map view will reset to show you the entire project. Now I will repeat the process and import a different set of lines into a different folder. In this case, the CDP and coordinate locations are the same as the original seismic, but they don't have to be. So that is all there is to the basic 2D seismic import. Next we will cover how to import different versions of the lines we have just imported.